Stocks closed lower as the AI's trade sprang a leak and an oil shock rolled through the market. What started this morning as a nervous chip wobble hardened into a full-day retreat by the close. The Nasdaq led the way down more than 1%, with the S&P 500 and Dow following, as investors trimmed the AI winners that have carried this market all year and rotated toward energy while oil surged. The day's real story was in energy. After tanker attacks in the Strait of Hormuz, Washington revoked Iran's authorization to sell oil, pulling barrels off the market and sending crude sharply higher. Exxon was the standout, closing up almost 5% as the morning's Hormuz jitters turned into a genuine supply shock by afternoon. The sell-off started overseas, where Samsung's earnings fell short of the sky-high bar the AI boom has set, dragging chip makers down across the board. But here's the twist. Nvidia actually finished higher as traders bet the leader would come out the other side stronger, a sign the market is punishing the followers while still crowding into the one name it trusts most. Rivian's day went from bad to worse. The EV maker announced it was selling 75 million new shares to shore up its cash, and investors, worried about being diluted, hit the exits. The slide that looked like 15% at midday deepened to roughly 18% by the close, its ugliest single day in 2 years. Amazon showed what it really takes to compete in AI, lining up at least $25 billion in new bonds to fund data centers and chips, while signaling it's done borrowing for the year. Investors took the debt in stride and nudged the shares higher, a vote of confidence that the spending will eventually pay off. That's your Market Minute. Follow for tomorrow's pre-market brief.